Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook Heart Puppies Con Panna in Hearttopia. So in this latest update, Hearttopia has a new collaborations with Maltese, and at these collaborations you can get or you can unlock any special food. One of them is Heart Puppies Con Panna, and to get this food or to cook this food, you can uh, First, you need to have this recipe. You can get this recipe from the exchange store at the Papy Gaja machine. And after that, after you get this recipe, just complete all the ingredients that needed. You need 2 milk and 2 coffee. For the milk, you can get it from the NPC Chef Massimo. You can buy it from him. And then after that, for the coffee, you can just make it first. And after that, when all the ingredients are complete, just simply tap on start cooking like this. And just like that, just cook the con panna like this. Just like that, your Heart Puppies Con Panna will be ready like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.